Here in the video, we will share the details for the Diablo IV Error Code 319023. The error reads, clan name is invalid. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to create a clan in Diablo 4, but the game prevents them from doing so by showing this error. According to our research, the error is caused when the entered clan name is invalid. Clan names must be 24 characters or less and should not contain any special characters like underscores, ampersands, or slashes. Also, names directly linked to the Diablo universe such as Horadrim, Sanctuary, Tristram, Diablo, or Mercenaries may also be restricted. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to make sure that the clan name you are entering is 24 characters or less. Also, ensure that it doesn't contain any special characters like slashes, underscores, or ampersands. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try using any other name. Avoid names that are directly associated with the Diablo universe and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then close the game, then restart your device and check if there are any updates available for the game. If yes, install the updates and check if this helps with the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.